Good morning, student of class 8. Today we will study chapter 10 of English literature. Chapter name is Creating a New Word. Okay, so chapter 10, Creating a New Word. How to create a new word. Now, here one activity is there. Discuss 5 most important changes that can help you create a word of your liking. Here, check 5 students are there and they have said something that to create in the word. So, what Isa first she said, what I want freedom for every single human being at each level, especially for women. Isa she has said that she wants what freedom for every person at each level, means every level, especially women. Second, Anand said, I would like to lead a climate conscious generation. I feel it is emerging issue which needs attention. Anand said he wants to lead a climate, means global war, what means how to shape our environment, so that he wants to do. And John, I would like to see the end of inequality at all level, like social, economical, political and cultural. John, he said that he wants to see that world in which there is a no feeling of inequality at every level, each level, like social level, economical level, political level and cultural level. Now, lower part, Hina, she said, I would really like to try to free people from discrimination on the grounds of race, gender, or religion. And she said, I would like to try means to finish actually of which thing of discrimination on the basis of color, on the basis of creed, on the basis of gender. The people are going to treat them badly, so that she wants to remove from the society. And now Sarah, what she said, I want to put an end to poverty. I want people to have all the necessities of life. And Sarah, she said, she want that there is a end of poverty. No people will be under poverty, and all the people they have all the necessities of life. That here actually by our democracy, by our constitution, it is already given to us. Now, next page. I am going to read. Listen carefully, then I explain. So, read and enjoy. जिद्दू की स्मृति. So, Jiddu Krishnamurti, the sage, philosopher, and thinker, talked about the things that concern all of us in our everyday life, the problems of living in modern society, the individual's search for security, and the need for human beings to free themselves from the burdens of violence, fear, and sorrow. He was one of the greatest educationists of the 20th century. In this lesson, he talks to you about creating a new word. Interesting, is not it? So this chapter that was written by Jiddu Krishnamurti, who was a sage, a saint, a philosopher, a thinker, and he talked about the concerning point of our everyday lives. What life means, the problems of living in modern society, and any person's security, need for human beings, burden of violence, fear, and sorrow. He talked about everything. Okay, and he was one of the greatest educationists of 20th, and he was the one of the greatest educationists of the 20th century. And in this lesson, he talks, he expresses his feeling how to create a new word, and that is very interesting, is not it? Is a question asked, the writer has asked a question, is not it? So it means it is very interesting. So now let us start. Most of us desire some kind of power. It may be over the son, over the wife, or the husband, or it may be over a group of people, or it may be the name of a country. This desire to have power over others is always operating even over a servant, to order him about, to get angry with him, to push him around, etc. Now, in the starting of first para, most of us, the writer said, most of us means mostly, what we have the choice. What choice? That of some kind of power. We are showing power, either whom, it may be over the son. Suppose that if you are a father, you are showing your power on son, on wife, or the husband, or maybe if you are a leader of any group, so you are the showing power to the people. And if you are a suppose that country something, if you are a minister, if you are something, so then you are showing the power to the others. And this desire, actually this desire, desire means ambition, like, okay, wish, like, and that is have power over the always operating even over to servant. And that desire actually, what this desire actually thinking, creating, what, to work always, means suppose that if you are father, you are thinking that to that the your son will always study. Suppose that you are a owner of any owner, and there is servant also in the house, so you are instructing him always to do some work, sweeping, cleaning, cooking food, etc. Always instructing to do work, always. And sometimes you are getting angry to him also. Okay. Now, do you know from where does this desire for power spring? And it is spring from a sense of loneliness. Loneliness is that state of life when we have no friends, no sense of anyone on whom you can rely or whom you can trust. It is a state of complete self isolation, and most of us run away from it. So, do you know what now the writer has asked? Do you know? Means, where does this desire for power spring? From where does this desire coming up, moving up, jumping up? From where? So now it springs from a sense of loneliness. Actually, it represents sense of loneliness, means solitude. And that loneliness is the state of life when you have no friend, no sense of anyone, or whom you can rely or whom you can trust. And loneliness, solitude, is that state of life at the time you don't have any friends, no sense of anyone whom you can depend upon and whom you can trust. And self isolation means there is a loss of contact, means you are living alone, you are living in a solitude position, and that most of us run away from it. And that we are the feeling we are going to do. Okay. Now up to 2 para I have explained, rest tomorrow. Thanks.